Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the access is denied error when installing software on Windows 10 or 11. This error typically happens due to permission issues, security settings, or interference from user account control, UAC, or antivirus programs. Luckily, with a few adjustments, you can get past it and install your software successfully. One solution is to switch to a user account that has administrative privileges. Go to the Downloads folder where your installer is located. Locate the installer file you want to run. Right-click on the installer file. Select Run as Administrator from the menu. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes. Wait a few seconds for the installer to start. Once the installer is running, continue with the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. That's it. Now you know how to fix the access denied issue when running an installer. Goodbye and see you next time.